Good afternoon, everyone. Once again, we are back in continuation with our chapter Quadrilaterals, chapter number 8. Okay, and this is part 6 of our video. We will be continuing with exercise 8.2. Okay, so in exercise 8.2, we have done till question number 3. Now we will be continuing with question number 4. Now, question number 4 says that ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. What? ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. We know what is a trapezium? In trapezium, one pair of opposite side is parallel. Say for example, just look here. If this is a trapezium, this side is parallel to this side. Then E is the midpoint of AD. It is E is given that midpoint of AD. A line is drawn through E parallel to AB intersecting BC at F. A line is drawn through E. From this E we draw a line. Look here. The E is the midpoint. From this midpoint a line is drawn which is parallel to AB. Then show that F is the midpoint of BC. We have to show that this F is the midpoint of BC. Now how to show this? Just look here. First see what all is given to us. We are given a trapezium ABCD. In this AB is parallel to CD. Then BD is a diagonal. This BD is the diagonal it is given to us. E is the midpoint of AD. E is the midpoint of AD. That means when E is the midpoint of this complete line, that means AE is equals to ED. Yes. Also it is given that EF is parallel to AB. All these things are given to us. ठीक है. अब थोड़ा ध्यान से एक चीज समझनी है आपको. See, suppose we are given a trapezium here and this is a diagonal given to us. That means we are having two triangles here. One is this and one is this. Yes. If we separate these two triangles, if I take only this triangle A, B and D. If only this triangle is taken A, B and D. Look here. A, B and D. Only this triangle is taken and E is the midpoint and this line is parallel to AB. Then there is a converse of midpoint theorem. Yes, converse of midpoint theorem says that if this is the midpoint of one side of a triangle and a line is drawn parallel to the third side, then this parallel line where it meets the other side meets at the midpoint of that. Okay? Means what? Midpoint theorem आपका होता है कि अगर दो midpoints हैं तो जो line draw होगी उनसे that will be parallel to the third side. और converse of midpoint क्या होता है कि अगर एक midpoint है और line parallel है तो other point will also be the midpoint. Okay? So in this triangle if we see that we have E as a midpoint and let us name it as X. EX is parallel to AB. That means X is the midpoint of this complete line BD. X is the midpoint of this complete line BD or not? Okay. When X is the midpoint of BD, then look here now. In triangle ADB, E is the midpoint of AD and EX is parallel to AB. So by converse of midpoint theorem, X is the midpoint of BD. Right? Similarly, we come on to other triangle that is BDC. अब दूसरे वाला triangle ले लीजिए. This triangle D, C and B and X is the midpoint and this line is parallel. XF is parallel. That means again by converse of midpoint theorem we can say that F is the midpoint. Okay? सिर्फ figure में देखो अब इधर दोबारा से. This complete this C. AB is parallel to CD. We have drawn EF parallel to AB. That means all these three are parallel. तीनों line parallel हो गई. Now this line, this parallel line has divided it into two triangles. One triangle is this and another triangle is this. First of all, we will be taking triangle ADB. ADB में एक midpoint given है और एक parallel line given है. That means the other point will also be the midpoint. Okay. Now we move on to the second triangle DBC. DBC में X midpoint हमें मिल गया अभी. We have got this X as midpoint and XF is parallel to CD because it was a trapezium. That means the other point will also be the midpoint. Okay. This is only what it was asked in the question. Now please go through question number 5. It is same as question number 4. After this, we will be continuing with question number 6. Read it.